Recently, the FDA enacted new rules that will impact popular GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic, particularly pharmacies that compound the drug. Brandon Cadiz joins us from the newsroom to tell us how consumers can stay safe when purchasing GLP-1 drugs.
Since late 2022, the FDA has allowed licensed pharmaceutical companies to sell versions of GLP-1 drugs that are not FDA approved. While there are dangers to compounded GLP-1s, there are also benefits. One consumer organization I spoke with says some individuals need drugs that are mixed for their body chemistry.
Say you have an allergy to an ingredient in a cough syrup or something. A compounded drug would strip out that ingredient, put something else in. Or you have trouble swallowing.
Glick says affordability is another reason consumers prefer the non-FDA approved drug, as it can cost hundreds of dollars less. But there are drawbacks. Glick and the NCL is concerned about misinformation on compounded GLP-1s.
Doctors don't approve drugs to come on the market, but it sounded good. And people were sort of led to believe that if doctors approved it, that was because the FDA had approved it.
One survey says 71% of the people polled said they believe compounded GLP-1s are only on the market if they were tested and proven safe. More than 53% think these medications received FDA approval. What can consumers do to protect themselves? Here's additional advice from the NCL. If a product says doctor approved and not FDA approved, it is likely a compounded version of GLP-1. FDA approved GLP-1s are not available in gummy, chewable, patch, nasal, or sublingual forms. And lastly, ask the healthcare provider selling you the GLP-1 if it is FDA approved, or do your own research and reach out to FDA approved manufacturers. At the Google touchscreen, Brandon Cadiz, Cronkite News.